invitation notifications on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off invitation notifications on your Likee app. So if you cannot get notifications when someone accepts your invitation, or if you want to turn on or off this option, just follow those steps. First thing, go to your Likee app. Click on For You page, click on those three lines and click on Setting. Now click on Notifications, scroll down until you find Level Notifications. And here you have invitation notifications, so you can notify when your friends have accepted your invitation and joined Likee. Turn on or off this option wherever you want. And this is, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.